How easily we run through a day, not realizing we sow a memory a minute. Then comes a time we pause, take a step back, look over our shoulder. We sight ourselves among the looming trees, the time-worn walls, playgrounds, rust-tinged boards, and even the old tire shop. And suddenly we realize that we belong. We belong to a very hallowed institution called the KV Pickett. So each of us can never forget the red brick wall of KV Pickett. Maybe the red might have given way to a new color. A slew of new generations scurrying around in whites and navy blues. But we will continue to throb in the ethos of Pickett.
प्रभु आँखों में बस जाओ अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना.
I am K. Aswath-Narayan, the very first PGT Mathematics of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Pickett. In fact, in those days we used to say it is Central School and not Kendriya Vidyalaya. It came later. When I came here, there was no Kendriya Vidyalaya or a Central School at all. There was only a board of Jilla Parishad school, and then I got a doubt whether I came to the right place or not. And then I went and asked one of the teachers here, where is the Central School? Then they showed me the backyard of the the Jilla Parishad school, and then told that was the Central School. It was having only 2 new buildings and 4 barracks with asbestos sheets and another 2 buildings on the right, which were serving as science rooms and laboratory.
Talking to the camera. Okay. Yes, I would have to say that I do like Pickett very much because I did all my studies here. I studied from class 1 to 12, and I think I spent most of my life during the academic period in the school rather than at home. And 25 years down the line, I think yes, school means a lot to me because it has shaped the way I think, the way I behave. And my teachers, both all from the primary, from the middle school, from the high school, they have helped me become what I am today.
I like this school a lot. One thing it did was I made a lot of good friends. Someone who has been, I was here from 68, I've been here till 75, and after that I went to college. But I kept coming back because the teachers were so nice. They taught us the values that we have today. They taught us what is right, what is wrong. And they said, if you don't study, you will become a rickshaw.
Walking down the memory lane, the floodgates of my school time memories have burst open. I'm full of nostalgia. I stepped into this threshold of knowledge in 1969 and as a child, 10-year-old, and walked out as a very confident person. That's because of the contribution this institute gave me. The teachers, whatever they did, they made us into. And the friends, of course, all these group of friends and other friends which I got a lifetime of friendships from here, has really made me a confident person, which I was not earlier as a child. And I salute this institute, my great teachers, and all my friends. The exemplary thing being that there's oneness among all of us, the KV Pickettians, and I salute everybody. KVP, tujhe salam.
KV Pickett, it's the best. Go ask other KV students. They'll tell you what KV Pickett is. Apart from the schooling, what we like best about KV Pickett is, of course, the Star Ice Cream and the Pepsi.
Pickettian.
I enjoyed school life, masti, laugh, talk, went to all the competitions, stored all the energy, of course not at the expense of studies. Never was it a rat race like these days school. We had a lot of fun, and even at the age of 49, even if I'm holding this kind of position is because of my schooling, and hats off to the school.
If you ask how a Picketteian is different from other school students, I say it's a never say die attitude of the Picketteians. And right from the classrooms to the playgrounds, and from the laboratories to the the class teachers or the other teachers, it has been a great learning experience for all these 10 years. And I'm always ready to say that I'm a proud Picketteian.
It's like coming back home, and the reminiscences are too many to tell, and lot of things to say, but it makes me I think emotional, and I may cry. So I can all tell you that it is a place. I love this school because everybody is a family member here, and after my parents, it is my friends and my teachers who are my well-wishers, and because of which I can face the whole world, and I cannot forget my family. This is my family.
I love to be a Picketteian because this school, Kendriya Vidyalaya Picket, molded me. I was a very shy-looking guy in my earlier school, and when I came here, I was molded to become an extrovert, and I participated in all the activities. Because of this confidence, I could start my own business with that confidence, and today what I am is because of this school. And this school gave me a big family. Our batchmates, 76 batchmates, we are a big family. We meet every month and we enjoy life like one single family. This is just because of this institution, great institution.
Unlike everyone else who's been speaking till now, I'm the only one who's spent 3 years of my life in this school, from 79 to 82. But this has been the best school I've attended. It's given me all I've got today, all my friends, the confidence to build a career, the poise, the grace. What else can I say? I'm proud to be a Picketteian.
I joined this Vidyalaya in the year 1985 as a physical education teacher when the principal was Mr. Jayanti Suryanarayana. He is an excellent and able principal. He guided me like anything. When I was raw at the time, even then he has encouraged me to develop the school as well as the children. Children were excellent. Children are so talented. By seeing their talent, I used to work hard, and I used to take the children help, and I used to fight with the children also for the right genuine problem in solving with the principal. I used to work with Varaprasad, senior most principal PET of this Vidyalaya, and is excellent guide for me.
Baljeet Kaur. I was here since 1974 to 2001. Intermittently I went away, you remember? Well, what should I say about the school? KVs have been established as trendsetter schools, and KV Pickett has been a real trendsetter. Not because it was centrally located, but because it always had very, very challenging students, very committed staff, and very dynamic leadership. And this has been maintained over the years, and I'm so glad that Pickett has been able to sustain, because making an effort and achieving a high position is easier, but to sustain is very difficult. Pickett has made so many students into big